Okay, number 15, a submarine, a submersible traveling at a depth of 250 feet, dives at an angle of 15 degrees with respect to a line parallel to the water surface. Okay, so there's a lot going on here, but there's the ocean. The submersible is already traveling below the water. Okay, so let's say the submarine, or whatever it is here. This is already 250 feet below the surface of the water. Okay, now, from this position, it wants to go further down. The submersible dives, means goes down, at an angle of 15 degrees with respect to a line parallel to the water surface. So if we draw a line that's parallel to the water surface, we're going to use that as one of the sides of my angle. We're diving down 15 degrees from here. The angle from here is 15 degrees, so we're going to go like this. Okay, 15 degrees here, okay, between the line that's parallel to the surface and the path that the submersible is going to go. So that's 15 degrees. It travels a horizontal distance of 1,500 feet. So it goes this way, 1,500 feet. Okay, the path isn't 1,500 feet, but the horizontal motion is 1,500 feet. So let's say that this is 1,500 feet. Okay, what is the depth? Okay, so we're going to measure down. Depth is a vertical distance. Okay, what is the depth of submersible? So if it ends up down here, how deep is it? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use trig to find this distance here, but this is only part of the depth. Okay, remember we have to factor in this amount here, and if at the beginning of the question we're told this is 250 feet. Okay, so we're going to find out what x is, then we're going to add it to the 250. This is my x, and then we'll add on the 250 when we're done. Okay, so starting with trigonometry. Okay, 15 degrees is here, my x is opposite. This is my right angle, so this has to be the hypotenuse, which means this has to be my adjacent. So we've got adjacent and opposite, so once again we're using tangents. Tangent ratio, tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. Plug in your values. Tangent of 15 is x over 1,500, opposite over adjacent. Multiply both sides by 1,500. I don't think I can fit that on there, but let's see, 1,500. Okay, and we have 1,500 tan of 15 equals x. So I'm just going to plug that in. Okay, so 1500 tan, it's not inverse, we don't press the blue button, tan of 15, and that gives me 401.92 feet. Okay, but the last thing you've got to remember is not only is that the distance, you've got to tack on the 250. So the depth is the initial depth, which is 250, plus the 401.92, which is going to give me 651.92 feet.